Do you see that? There's a storm coming. Hey, what's up, bud? She's a brick house. Look at this tree resting, and the birds are nesting, doing their best when the weather's testing. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, look at your tree. Hey. Hey, you. Yes? What did the bear ask the bees? I don't know, what? What's all the buzz about? See that tail wag? Let me see that tail wag. Gunner, you wanna hear a joke? Hey Gunner, you wanna hear a joke? Trees can teach us a lot about business. Though some are small, they continue to branch out. To the sky.
Reach for the sky.
You don't have to tell me twice. Lay, Buster. Good boy. It was raining outside today and Buzz was like, I'm melting. Get a stick on it. The stick is right there below you. No, look down. Look down. Get the stick. The stick is below you. Down, look down, look, down. Down, look the stick. I know, right? After a storm outside, y'all ever realize how freaking green everything is? Like, wow! Except for that is clearly not green. It's so green! Y'all think the sky might be getting old? It's looking a little gray. Tall, taller, tallest. Steroids. Wow, just look at that broccoli. Caution, wet floor. I'm melting! You know, guys, nature really sticks out sometimes. There's the bamboo, but where's the panda? Is it that way? The rain in Spain falls gently on the plain. There's no plane, and this is not Spain, but I still see rain. This thing really stands out like an orange cone. Lizard, eagle, sun, other sun. What the heck are you? Lock. Are you a lock? Because if you're not a lock, then that's false advertising. The green, green grass on the long, long path. Well, this is getting nowhere fast. I'm going to find another joke, and I appear to be stuck in the middle. It's the light. That's what I'm supposed to be. That is one hairy tree. Oh. Good night, bud. Sometimes the skies are indecisive. Now it wants to be orange. Thank you for walking with your host, Tiger Spence. Remember, guys, sometimes you have to save jokes for a rainy day.